Sparks were flying, parts were going down the road. I was like, what the heck's going on?
I said, you know what? It's just like my life, falling apart. We'll let her rip. You know what? If she blows, she blows. Today, we did a little maintenance on our bikes, changed the oil, got them running nice. Now realized out of gas. So we're running up here into town to get some gas. We're gonna gas them up, fire them up, take them for a little run, see how they ride, you know. Hopefully mine doesn't blow up, hopefully mine doesn't blow up, hopefully mine doesn't blow up. Hopefully mine doesn't blow up. I don't think it will, but you never know. So that's what we're doing today. It's a little wet out, kind of been a nasty couple days, but we got a little bit of break in the action. So we're gonna do some riding, you know? It's time to get out there. Worked all week, it's time to do something fun. And that's all I got to say about that. Got some of that 93 octane.
Got the old shake and bake.
Going on with it. When you start going fast, the handlebars are, and it's making like a scratching, screeching noise.
Well, sure. You did a little maintenance at it with it, and it gets mad at you. And
I don't know. Maybe you come alongside of me and watch, see if you can see something.
It's your back brake, it's locking up. It was throwing sparks.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Well, that ain't so bad then. So, we was riding along, ripping at pretty good pace, and something started sounding really weird. It just acting funny, and got to find out that my rear brake, for some reason, is locking up and shooting sparks and everything. It's kind of nasty looking. If you, probably hard to tell in the video, but if you look, the rotor is actually warped now. It's, the rotor's screwed. I'm gonna have to get a new one of those. So I say heck with it. I'm gonna ride it, you know, what's it gonna hurt? So see what happens.
Sparks were flying, parts were going down the road. I was like, what the heck's going on?
I said, you know what, it's just like my life, falling apart. I mean, it's already broke.
I'm just gonna send it.
It's already broke, what's it gonna hurt? We'll get down to the bridge, let's do another little drag. If you're up for it.
I'll beat your butt.
I just gotta remember not to use the rear brake, only the front one right here.
Your engine is?
Well, I can't tell. It seems like it's coming from the engine. Sounds like the sound's coming from up here, but maybe it's just that rotor I'm hearing.
Let me listen. Just driving normal, you hear it?
Yeah, get up to like second gear. You can hear it. It sounds like a scratching noise.
That is weird. Like if you whomp on it and then let off, it shakes. That's weird. But like you said, it feels like it's in the front end.
I know. I don't get it. Why it happened all of a sudden. We'll let her rip. You know what? If she blows, she blows. flew off, bud.
Oh, jeez. Look at that.
What?
Is that supposed to be that far away?
It's bent.
There's actually supposed to be a gap there. You see that?
Oh, it's screwed.
Holy cow.
That busted off.
This whole axle's been, from doing the donuts, it's been making it rub.
Maybe so. Either way, we're gonna have to head back and get the truck.
You can get some shots of me.
That sucks. This is what happens when your bike breaks down. You get to be the guy that sits around filming, wanting to be riding, and get told, hey, let's try this.
Head back to where I break my bike and go along.
I guess. Major bumped out mode. What a bummer. What a bummer, dude.
I tell you.
So, a great day of ripping turns into carnage. I ain't got nothing to grab onto, and I ain't grabbing onto you.
Say bye-bye. Here we go. Ready? I'm gonna do one. I'm scared right now. It's so sketchy riding with two people on it. I said it's sketchy riding with two people. Yeah.
We're there.
Oh, Cody here's down in the dumps.
Not my greatest day, people, alright? Normally, I'm at the top of my game. Today, towards the bottom.
It was bound to happen. I mean, I've had breakdown, a big breakdown. I was down for 3 months waiting on parts. Oh, Skyler buddy, he goes out with us once, breaks, pops the tire. I mean, that's not a big deal, but
Still a bummer, dude.
still a bummer. It was Cody's turn, I guess.
Right in the middle of a good donut, feeling good, and then wham! I don't even know really what's wrong yet.
His whole swing arm, where the axle meets up to it, it's like the axle shifting back and forth, and it bent his, I guess it's your drive or your sprocket, drive sprocket. Bent that. The brake on the other side, it's all warped because it was against that and it got real hot. So it's all messed up, locking the brakes up. So
Don't know. It might be the end of the Raptor. Might not be. I don't know. It happens.
you got any final words?
Not that are G-rated. Not that are appropriate for the public audience.
I got something. I say like, subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram, 4-Wheel Shenanigans. We need to start making some money so we can pay for this stuff.
Yeah, you're telling me. There's creepy lady again. She ain't even in her car.
Even in there. Where is she?
There she is down there.
Alright, we're gonna end there. Peace. Let's look at this old bud. I don't know why, I don't know why, but when I get on camera, I start talking like Canadian or something. I live in the Midwest. I'm not from the north.
Bird on a tree.
Oh, geez. Yeah, the
I'm just sitting
chain came off.
here.
There's a big old gap there.
I got time.
Shaking like
It's
crazy.
clear to see
All gashed up. That swing arm's all gashed
from
up.
up here.
The brakes locking and
The
running.
world seems small.
She's in a mess, bud.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Didn't even have it on a day that I was taking care of it.
Are you gonna do a donut for me?
Not with my four-wheeler in it.
Why not?
If I didn't have the four-wheeler in the back, I would.
The floor goes flying out.